Hey guys, Weekly Piano here again. So again, sorry about the background noise that's happening right now. We are in St. Louis, and what you hear in the background is Imagine Dragons playing. We played the first set of the night, and now I'm backstage working on some stuff, including my answers to my friend Drew, who, or our friend Drew, sent some great questions via video, which I'm answering now. So the first one was on the melody to take 5. Now this is on the bridge. Let's see what Drew has to ask.
Goes into the bridge, I kind of deduce that the chords seem to be this, I guess this would be a B major, and it switches to what I'm guessing is a B flat minor.
Okay, so those two, yeah, that is correct. The first one is a B major. Oh, gotta turn my piano on. It's a B major, but it's actually a B major 7. So B, that's the one. If you do the B scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. You have the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7, right? Now, what I would normally do for this is move the 7 down. So you've got that, or even move the 5 down an octave. So you've got that nice sound. So that's a B major 7. So that is correct. And the next one is a B minor 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. A B flat minor, not a B minor 7. A B flat minor 7. Which I want to make one thing clear also. Right now we have modulated to a different key from the opening key. So I'll explain that in a little bit. But you have B major 7, B minor, B flat minor 7. So you can comp that like this, the 7, 9, 3, and 5 if you want. That's how I usually do it. So this would be the comping for the B major 7. This would be the comping for the B flat minor 7. It's kind of cool because it's actually the same intervals in the comping, but it equates to different notes of the scale that you're in. All right, let's see what the next one thing is he says.
And then it sounds like it goes to this A flat minor.
That is correct, A flat minor. But I would again add the 7 in, maybe the 9, and then maybe drop some of those down, like the 7 and the 9, drop down the octave. So then when you're in A flat minor, that's actually your comping. The 7, the 9, the 3, and the 5. So you have B flat minor, A flat minor, and then let's see what you got.
I'm guessing it goes to this chord. I'm not sure what that is. If that's a D. That looks like a G.
Close.
A G flat.
There you go.
Major.
It is a G flat major. Okay, so that is. Well, let's see if you have anything else to say.
Oops. So I'm sure he does something. I had a teacher told me it was circle of fifths, but I can't.
Okay, so check this out. That is correct. So B major, B flat minor, A flat minor, to G flat major. And you are actually now in the key of G flat major. The whole melody and the chord progression cycles around G flat major. So when you're on the B, you're actually on the 4. Because if you're in G flat major, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 to 2 to 1. All diatonic, all in the key of G flat major. So every note you use here on those chords is in the key of G flat major. B flat, A flat, G flat major. Now you said that a teacher told you that it went around the circle of fifths, because it actually does. Now here is the cool part about it. When you've got the 4, you have now if you want to, the actual next chord that's implied here is the if you count this as it's a minor, right? And what is a minor usually in jazz? It's a 2 of a 5. So you go up to the 5, which is E flat, and then down to the A flat, which again becomes a 2. The 5 being D flat, down to the 1. So in the overarching spectrum of what we're looking at chordally, it's 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So the chords would be so that's 3, then 6, 2, changes the 5 to be the B flat, leading into the minor 1, which is E flat in minor key. So it does go around the circle of fifths in that it goes 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, and you can do some cool alterations on that. You can do so. That's the 4. But now for the 3, I add the 9 up there, and then when it goes to the 6, I would make that a sharp 9 chord. So I have the 1, 3, sharp 5, flat 7, sharp 9. So you might want to like stop after each of these chords and figure it out. It might be helpful. Then 2, which is the A flat minor chord, which is the 1, the 5, the 7, the 9, the 3, and the 5. And then I would make that a sharp 9 again. 1, 3, sharp 5, flat 7, sharp 9. And then you can make some cool comping, some cool like potential solo ideas, you know? Because then you're just dealing with 2 5s. There was I actually made that, though I did a 2 5 to the 4, so that it gets, this is a lot of chords being thrown at you, but if you take the D flat and make that the 2 in your mind, make that the minor chord, and make the G flat that's 5, you have your G flat 7, which I play as play flat 7, 9, 3, and 13 down to the 4 chord, which is the B. So it's if you're doing this by yourself without a bass, well, you know, I'll just show you the comping patterns for it. So this is if you were playing it with a bass player who's playing the roots. So the first part of the melody, so that's your chord for the first part of the melody, which is a B. So what I did there, the second and third chord was a B flat minor with the 9 and the 3 and the 7 and the 5 to an E flat 7, the 3, the sharp 5, 7, and sharp 9. And then A flat minor, which with the 7, the 9, the 3, and the 5. To the D flat 7 with the 3, the 13, the 7, and the 9. And then to the 1 with the 7, the 1, the 3, and the 5. Make sure you go to the B flat 7 chord, because then that leads back into the 1. And then, you know, practice soloing over it. That's like the idea of it. Anyway, I hope that solves some questions on the bridge. And make sure you slow it down again and play it with the metronome to get the melody. In fact, I don't know if it's still recording right now, but if it is, I'm going to show you the melody real quick, just in case you need it. So here, with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That. I don't mess it up. Check it out. 2, 3, 4, 5.